Welcome student. Today we learn a poem in our textbook section 2, poem number 1. Title of the poem here is Song of the Open Road. This poem is written by American poet Walt Whitman. Here we know about the poet Walt Whitman, American poet Walt Whitman. He was the poet and essayist and journalist. He was also called as a father of free verse. His major work, Leaves of Grass, was published in July 1855. Song of Open Road is beautiful blend of self-awareness, free will, and tenderness of heart. Here it gives the poet's realization that along the journey of life one will face a test of wisdom which is not tested in any school or university. A road is something everyone uses, whether rich and poor, and it forces all level of people to associate one another. The road signifies mobility. Actually, here one can take the road as a point to start over towards something new. Here, the poet Walt Whitman talks the people and places. It urges against staying in one place for too long. Here, the poem is about someone about to set off on a journey. We can say it is symbolic of a person about to start off life's journey. It means that here, Song of the Open Road is a poem about a journey of one's life. Actually, here the poem is given on page number 94 as the title of the poem, Song of the Open Road, afoot and light-hearted, I take to the open road, healthy free the world before me, the long brown path before me leading wherever I choose. Actually, here the poem Song of the Open Road is in the voice of the poets to start on a journey in the form of dramatic monologue. Dramatic monologue means here the meaning of dramatic monologue here is that a poem is in the form of a speech or narrative by an imagined person in which the speaker reveals aspects of their character while describing a particular situation or a series of events in a dramatic monologue. Here, in the beginning of the poem, the poet here ready to start on a journey in the form of dramatic monologue. The speaker speaks about his readiness to begin his journey. He is open-minded, prepared to face the problems that he may come across. The journey is metaphorical for the journey of life. It is a journey of life. Actually, title is symbolical one, metaphorical one. Actually, here the poet start his journey in a new form, and in this journey of life, the poet is tension free, he has no burden, and here he is open minded and ready to face any kind of problem that may come across. Actually, here the poet is also confident that he has the freedom to choose his own path. He does not feel good luck must favor him. He will work hard and his dream come true. It is then not a question of luck but hard work. Remaining part of the poem we will see next period.